Hello everyone and welcome back yet again to another daily update video. My name is CryptoStash and I hope you're all having an amazing week. Currently it is Thursday and let's get right to the charts as we do have some very important things to cover for Bitcoin. As you can see right now we are bouncing for a third time or a fourth time if we count all those weeks right here from our 786 and our weekly S2, which is also our order block right here that we have from back in 1st of December. As you can see, Bitcoin did pump today because of the CPI data. As you can see, today is Thursday and we did have CPI came in lower than expected. As you can see, it was 2.7% with the forecast being 3.1. So this actually is good news for Bitcoin and the stock market, since inflation is down, as you can see, significantly. I am surprised by those news, but as you can see, we did get quite good news for the CPI report, and Bitcoin reacted quite positive to it. The Nasdaq also did have a nice little pump, as you can see right here. Same for the S&P 500, testing this support level, which is right now turning into resistance. But as you know, if we go back to Bitcoin, our weekly pivot is still at around $90,000, not tested yet, as you know, but still it is very possible for Bitcoin to go up once again towards this level right here. You can see our macro golden pocket and our weekly pivot, which are sitting at around exactly $94,000. So this would be my next target for Bitcoin. Basically, it might take some time until we get up there, but as you know, the longer we consolidate, the more explosive the next move will be. Now, as you can see on this move towards the upside, we are finally seeing open interest coming. So this is basically very nice to see, since as you know, all the times that we had moves towards the upside, Bitcoin was basically open interest was always going down. So as of right now, we are having somewhat of a nice volume. As you can see right here, a nice volume, nice potential open interest coming, and CVD looks finally to be starting to curve up. So if we have all of those things, as you know, then it is very possible for price to actually reverse to the upside this time. If you look at the liquidation heat map, you can see we do have liquidity stacked up on top. As you can see, around 91k and all the way towards 93k, there is a lot of liquidity sitting, and I do expect for Bitcoin to actually grab this liquidity in the coming days or weeks. As you can see, Ethereum right now also looks ready for a potential rally to the upside. As you can see, Solana also looking ready to pump basically towards the weekly pivot. If we extend our volume profile right here, you can see basically right now trading around 127,000, and the next targets would be around 138, which is where the 786 is sitting right now, and basically 144 is the most important level for Solana to be broken in order for us to see more upside happening. As you can see right now on the lower time frame, if we go on the daily pivot, you can see we are pushing quite above the daily pivot, and the next target would be around $131. Hype is right now trading at $24, quite a significant move towards the downside. As you can see right here, we almost filled the liquidation week from back in October, and it's not looking good, but I do expect for things to reverse here a bit, since as you know, if Bitcoin starts getting this relief rally to the upside, so the altcoins will of course follow. As you can see, SUI still looking very depressed, XRP the same thing right here, the pump token making new lows, as you can see. if the stock markets start reversing right here, this will be a good sign for crypto as well. The dollar right now also looking to start to reverse. What else I want to show you? The Bitcoin dominance on the daily time frame is also starting to push above the monthly pivot, as you can see right here. So this will of course give Bitcoin that strength needed to continue, but we are going to be seeing altcoins struggle quite a bit. Fear and greed index right now at around 22, as you can see, almost back in that fear zone. ETF inflows, we did have finally a green day, as you can see, 457 million of inflows. Finally, with BlackRock, Fidelity buying most of the Bitcoins, as you can see. Funding rates remaining positive on the major exchanges, and the CPI data that we had today was the cause of this move. We do have tomorrow some more news coming into the market, as you can see, inflation expectations and consumer sentiment, BOJ policy rate. Those are also very important news that will also bring volatility in the markets, and this is why I'm telling you that I do expect for Bitcoin to finally see some relief happening to the upside. And I think this covers it for today's quick update video, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.